I got monetized in just 3 weeks on a brand new YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the steps that I went through, because it's not my only YouTube channel, so that you can do the same if you are trying to monetize yourself. And I'm also going to be sharing where I make the most amount of income. Is it on my ad spend or is it something else? So my name's Ali and I help coaches and creators and business owners build online income. So even if you have an offline business, I can help you monetize online and show you how you can build credible online income when you're not even working. And YouTube is one of the best places that you can do this in, because YouTube is a worldwide audience. So it doesn't matter where you live, what you do, or even what your goal is, because YouTube is such an amazing platform and it is so vast that it does adapt to your ideal audience and your ideal demographic. Now, I'm not new to social media. Obviously, I've been doing it a while, as I'm 50. And in the last few months alone on one of my own TikTok accounts, I have racked up nearly 28 million views. So if you want to grab the starter list to help you do this on all platforms, not just on TikTok, but YouTube and the other platforms too, I will leave a little link down below just to help you get started. Now, YouTube is the ideal platform to get discovered, whether you are a business owner, creator, coach, or just someone who wants to share their passion project or hobby. And the number one reason why so many creators, business owners, coaches, whoever, why people just prefer YouTube is because the only monetization feature that rests on YouTube is the YouTube creator program. Everybody thinks they need to become some famous and amazing content creator, photographer, or even like filmmaker, right, on YouTube, and you don't. What you need to do is just start creating the videos, start creating the content. The more content you create, the more videos you produce, the better you're going to get with your own editing style. And you can even just outsource that if you really feel that it's that bad. But I'm doing this on my iPhone in my lounge, so you don't need all the kit. But I actually do have a full studio of kit, but I just thought, you know what, today I'm going to record here because the vibe feels right. And the more authentic you can be, the better. So don't worry about not being the best, you know, filmographer, a content creator, or whatever it is. Just start. So in order to do that, you need to research exactly what you are going to create your videos about. And again, in the 365 social media viral kit, I will show you a complete system where you create your YouTube video, and then from your YouTube video, you then push that out through platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and even Snapchat if you want to. You can even embed your own YouTube video on your blog, which is going to make you more discoverable in lots of different ways, on Google, on Pinterest, on snippets, and through other websites referring back to you through the power of the blogging community. So to get started, you want to look at 5 to 10 channels of competitors or something that you would like to create content about. Now, don't copy, because that is not cool, but what you want to do is write down those competitors, and then you need to start analyzing some of their best performing videos. And if you don't know how to do any of that in a pretty cohesive fashion, again, I have a free little template that you can have down below, and that's going to help you lay it out, and it's also going to help you stay focused and stay on target. Because the next part of being successful on YouTube is consistency. Like all platforms, YouTube loves consistent creators. If you're going to post now and again, don't look to YouTube to reward you through the creator program. What you need to be doing is showing up every single week, even twice a week if you're able to, and create real, genuine content for your audience. So that's going to bring me on to my next point. Don't always create the content that you want to create for you. You are here to serve your audience. So create valuable content that is going to help them. Now, the number one reason why my YouTube channel got monetized in just 3 weeks was that I was answering burning questions that my audience would have to go and pay hundreds of pounds to go and get. So I was giving them loads and loads and loads of information, valuable information for free, and I still do. But what I actually did on top of that was I created my own digital product. I created a new website, a new membership, and I created a whole new product, service, and I even developed software and an app to go alongside that as well. Because whilst it is really great to be in the YouTube Creator Program, and whilst they do on general, I would say pay 10 to 15 times more than platforms like TikTok per 1,000 views, which is a metric they measure to see how successful you are and how much money they're going to pay you, you will always earn more money with your own digital products and your own services, because all platform monetization can go up and it can go down, which is why it's not great to necessarily rely on that as your own stream of income. As your only stream of income, you do have to have other streams of income as well. So every single month you want to focus on having at least 4 key videos. These video topics are going to be evergreen. They are going to be the blood, bones and water of what you're about, what your niche is about, and what your topic is about. And you are going to use YouTube Shorts as a way of filtering into them, and also as a way of cross-promoting the different videos by doing something which we call in the marketing world as SEO clustering, search engine optimization. YouTube is owned by Google. Google is the #1 search engine in the world. And when it comes to working out what you're going to write, the titles you're going to use, the descriptions you're going to be putting in your YouTube caption, trust me well when I say you need to be learning how to do search engine optimization and knowing how to make those videos rank, because in order to get discovered on YouTube, it is a mix of 2 things. #1, creating content that your audience wants you to create content about. #2, it's about optimizing that in the best way possible, and that is using keywords and other pieces of meta information that are going to help you get found within the big old computer world of the algorithm. And #3, you need to consistently promote that through your own other social media platforms or YouTube Shorts, and also your own blog and website. And then this is where the glory can come from, which is that you can create micro niched offers, anything from £27, anything from $27 to $37, or you can even do high ticket. I do a mix of both because you have to serve your audience at different points of their journey. Some of my audience are only going to be ready for a low ticket, low investment, because they might not have made the decision yet to grow their business or develop more online or create a higher income level. And some of my clients have already done the low ticket things and they just want to work with somebody. They want to work with me because they want to hit those 5K. Now, whilst I said you don't have to be a professional photographer or filmmaker in order to create good content, there is some basic kit that you're going to need. And trust me, I'm going to say it's just going to make your life easier. So a decent phone with a decent camera. You can just, clean your camera phone and make sure all is good. A decent selfie stick and a decent lighting like this brilliant newer ring light here, which has got so many different shades and strengths to it. It's really amazing. There is a few other things as well, and I'm going to leave those links all down below for you as well, so you can actually see what is going to be worthwhile for you and what is in your budget range. Now, I always say to people, start small and build from there, because, you know, everyone had to start from zero. Nobody got monetized overnight unless, you know, you're someone like Gary Vee. And, you know, we all have to start somewhere. So be kind to yourself. Consistency is key. Now, I make a lot more income from my actual coaching and my products than I do ad spend. If you want to know exactly what that is, what is the breakdown in ad spend, how much you actually get paid from the YouTube Creator Program compared to, you know, your own products, ask me in the comments. Just ask me if you want to know that, or if you want to know something else about this topic and getting monetized on YouTube in 3 weeks, or maybe a little bit less. And for those of you who are a little bit further along and you actually just want to move on onto the next level and you want help creating your own online business, membership, or any other credible stream of digital asset, then you want to join the 365 plan, and I will leave a little interview application sheet down below. Have a wonderful day and enjoy YouTube.